If you want quick one-click access to your inbox, this tutorial will show you how to create a Gmail shortcut on your desktop in just a few easy steps. This is a super handy trick if you check email often and want Gmail to open like a separate app instead of digging through your browser every time. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. You can use Chrome because this method works best when you create a shortcut directly from the browser. Once Chrome is open, go to mail.google.com. That will take you straight to Gmail. If you are not already signed in, Gmail will ask you to log into your account. Go ahead and enter your email and password, then complete any verification steps if needed. Once you are inside your inbox, you are ready for the next step. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot browser menu. This is the main menu for Chrome, and it contains a lot of useful options. From the menu, look for Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your browser version, this option may be grouped slightly differently, but you should still see it in the menu. After you click Cast, Save, and Share, a submenu will open. In that submenu, click Create Shortcut. This is the option that lets Chrome make a desktop shortcut for the current website, which in this case is Gmail. A small window will appear asking you to name the shortcut. You can type something simple like Gmail, or if you want, you can give it a custom name that helps you recognize it instantly. If you want Gmail to open in its own separate window instead of a browser tab, check the box that says Open as Window. This is a great option because it makes Gmail feel more like a dedicated app on your desktop. Once everything looks good, click Create. Chrome will then generate the shortcut for you. In just a moment, you should see the Gmail shortcut appear on your desktop. From now on, you can double-click that shortcut anytime you want to open Gmail quickly. If you chose the Open as a window option, Gmail may launch in a cleaner app-like window without the normal browser tabs and address bar. That can make it easier to stay focused on email and keep your workspace organized. If you did not check that option, Gmail will still open normally in Chrome, but the shortcut will still work just fine. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. This is a simple but powerful way to save time and make your workflow a lot smoother. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.